Okay, so here is a Lakewood Box Fan that I picked up from Goodwill recently. It's been a while since I've been to a Goodwill, and even longer since I've made any fan purchases, but I picked this one up. I almost walked right by it without giving it a second look. I guess I thought it was one of those Aerospeed box fans, except that this doesn't have the handle on the top like one of the Aerospeed fans would. And then I noticed the Lakewood badge here. And it was $5.99, so not too bad, and it's in pretty clean shape for what this is. I mean, I'm not expecting it to be a really good fan, but you know, this is thin cabinet. It does have the feet, and let's see what model this is. I'm not really sure. Surprisingly, no rust on this thing really to speak of. I guess it's 202. So, and this has this plug-in here, this plug-in power cord, which I think the Rain Guard fans had this. And it's got a PSC motor that's a little dusty, but all things considered, it's not too dirty. It does have the switch on the back, which is kind of weird. I've never seen that on a Lakewood Box Fan before. And it's got a handle here in the back. Not a really good one either, but you know, it's a handle, I guess. All right, well, let's see what we're getting ourselves into here. I've already got it plugged in over there. So I guess, what does it start out on? Starts on high, but I'm gonna start it on low. So let's see what the low speeds bring in. Not too bad. Not bad at all. It's relatively quiet. Seems to run pretty good. Blade balance seems pretty good. It is the brace blade, if I didn't mention that before. So we're going to measure the velocity in feet per minute. So around mid 500s for the low speed. Let's see what we get on the medium. Yeah, not too bad. It's moving a pretty decent amount of air too. 700. Go high. Not bad at all. I saw it peaked there at around 1,000 feet per minute for the velocity, which off the top of my head, I don't remember what the Lakewood box fans were running at on high speed, but I want to say that this is at least comparable to the newer Lakewood, or excuse me, Lakewood box fans, the weather shields and Power Plus and whatnot. Pleasant surprise. I thought this was going to be a pretty crappy fan, which maybe it is, but you know, it's on the high end of crappy fans from the, I guess it would be early 2000s. So yeah, nice find. Lakewood Box Fan 202. Thank you for watching.